Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the account restricted issue on Coinbase in 2026. Is your Coinbase account restricted? Here's how to figure out why and how to fix it. Now as you can see on my screen, if you're using a mobile version, you're gonna have this error right here. You're gonna encounter this error you might be encountering. So it says account restricted. You are currently unable to send crypto on Coinbase. Please visit this URL for assistance. Now, you have two options to contact the support or to click back. Now, the first thing you want to do is to understand what account restricted means. Restrictions can limit buying, selling, sending, or withdrawing. This usually happens due to verification issues, security concerns, and compliance checks. So, the first thing you want to do is to check notifications. You're gonna log into Coinbase and look for alerts explaining the restrictions. Now you're gonna go to coinbase.com and make sure to sign in with your account. Then you're gonna review or check the notifications. After you check the notifications, make sure to verify your identity again. You can go to the settings in your account and click on identity verification to complete any missing steps. Third thing also to do is to secure your account. Now enable the two-factor authentication if it's not already active. And you can also review the recent activity. Unusual transactions or login attempts can trigger restrictions. So make sure to review them. And after that, if no clear reason is provided, you can submit a support ticket and provide requested documents by contacting the Coinbase support. Now make sure to always use your real information and avoid using VPNs during login, as this can trigger security flags. And that's it. That's how you fix a restricted Coinbase account. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.